I know now. Did you notify? Okay. We don't know why. Yeah, just rush from there. 10 minutes to 5
I've tried twice to go to this institution to see him, and I was asked to come to court. That's the only way for me to see him. As a senator of the Republic of Nigeria, the Southeast Zone, I think he goes on me to seek a way and how I can see him and then get some information regarding his station and know how we can be of assistance. This is what I report to. Just finished Yes, I want to report here. The most important thing is that at this particular point, we are working for the past. But whereas I have to seek for this report, we have to have access to it. Is this happening? Yeah, I just filed, yeah. So, yeah, we're putting this into procedure. The Senate, we are also in the Senate focus is doing something on that. And then I am also championing my own cause, as a senator representing from Southeast Europe.
Can you say this is a means to boost your ambition to be governor of Anambra?
I have been doing this before. I have been doing this like this.
La 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 la.